Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is June 2nd, 2017, and today is Friday morning. So big numbers coming out today. Big NFP coming out. As we can see here, our economic events of the day. So we're starting out at 10:30 South African time with construction PMI number, and then at 2:30 South African time is the monthly non-farm payrolls coming out, and that's followed at the same time with the CAD trade balance. So let's see what's going on in the market. We're looking here at the Euro USD at a weekly chart. So what we've been seeing here is that the euro's been getting stronger versus the dollar. We've been discussing this earlier. As you can see, it's trading at 112, 116, and slowly but surely creeping up back to its 114 level. Now, we haven't been at these levels for a long time, and we've been trading in this range this week between 112.40-ish level and 111-ish level, but we've been rallying towards yesterday and the day before, and you know, as we can see here, we're sliding off a little bit, but we're still very, very strong. We're still at the top of the move. So I'd like to see a little bit of a breakout here in the Euro USD as we're making this line at the top of this range right here at 112.50-ish level, and on the bottom 111-ish level. So to see some continuation would be nice, especially with the numbers coming out today. Looking at the GBP USD, also trading within a very tight range, 128.57, selling off from this 129-ish level, but bouncing just a little bit. Remember, June 8th is elections, general elections in the UK, so you know things are going to be a little bit quiet, I think, before the storm. So just keep an eye on that. If you are in GBP positions, just realize we're going to be trading in a little bit of a range between now and then. Looking at the USD Japanese yen, we're trading at 111 here, creeping right back up to this 112, 114-ish level. Now, we haven't really broken out. We've been kind of quiet, as you can see here, from this 114-ish level. Here we're looking at a 4-hour chart, 114-ish level. We slid off of those highs and tested this 110 level, but we're bouncing right back off. Now, the big game today is the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones hitting all-time highs from yesterday and overnight, trading at 200-ish level, and this is really all-time highs. If we look at the Dow, you see here, this is really, and it's going with a bar. Okay, so I'd like to see some continuation with that, especially with the number coming out, some sort of positive news for non-farm payroll to carry this even further up. I mean, there's no reason we could, need to stop here. This is obviously fueled by the Nikkei. Okay, the markets in the universe or around the globe has really been very, very strong, and all the stars are aligned, and the universe is really very much liking this very much bull move. So, we had this opportunity at 20,300-ish level just from last month, but as you can see, it's really been rallying, been very, very strong. Now, I've mentioned this last week, I mentioned it yesterday, that we're really at a pivotal point. We look like we were at resistance level, but we broke up above it. So I'd like to see some continuation, especially today with the number coming out. I don't think it's coincidental that you have the NFP coming out and we're making higher highs. Looking at the DAX gapping up this morning, trading at 784, all-time highs 12,847. So we're about 100 points just off or shy of our all-time highs in the DAX as well. So keep an eye on these two specifically today. Now, as a result, gold sold off a little bit from our 1272 high-ish level. We're trading at 1260-ish level. I mean, if the Dow does continue to take it up further, we could test 1250-ish level as well in the gold. So keep an eye on that today. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day.